The Russian Novaya Gazeta is reporting that every fifth mobilized Russian, of those whose death became publicly known, died before being sent to the front. The causes of death were fights, alcohol, drugs, suicide and accidents. In some cases, only 9 to 10 days passed from mobilization to death. Novaya Gazeta has identified 89 mobilized Russian men who have been killed since September 21st. A total of 23 people died during training. The causes of their deaths vary: physical altercations, alcohol, drugs, suicide, and accidents. And this is video where someone is filming Mobiks arriving at Kaliningrad airport. According to him, they were all drunk, looking for more booze to get drunk before death, realizing where they were being sent to.
Спрашиваю, все бегают, пьяные, водки ищут. Напиться, говорит, перед смертью хоть. Ну вот, короче, магазины, где спрашивают. Я нахожусь в аэропорте Храброво, Калининградской области. Сегодня 25 октября. Ну так, пацаны понимают, что, говорит, ну пушечное мясо, я с ними разговаривал. Просто ментов много, как бы не дают сильно общаться. Ну все, вот пацаны поехали. Всех увозят он там. 4 автобуса полных ушло. Ну давайте, ребята, на мясокомбинат.
Video from Baza of mobilized soldiers in Ulyanovsk who staged a protest because they aren't being paid what they were promised. Rosgvardia troops were reportedly deployed before they dispersed. A video of presumably some of the recent strikes on barges near the Antonovsky Bridge has been published. Ukrainian precise GMLRS destroys the Russian-built pontoon bridge parallel to the damaged Antonovsky Bridge over the river Dnieper in Kherson Oblast. 6 blasts hit the swimming installation. Most of the front in Donetsk Oblast remains a visage of World War I, with relatively static trench lines and heavy shelling characterizing the fighting. As seen here, a Ukrainian soldier fires an M240B toward a Russian position.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.